How to delete all files whose file names contain a particular string. Hello guys, and welcome back to DelveStack. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all files whose file names contain a particular string. So let's get started. So you can quickly delete multiple files whose names contain a specific string using shell commands, which is useful for cleaning up directories efficiently. You could simply head over within the directory where you wish to delete the files. And for example, I'm going to do for documents, I'm going to go inside documents, click on ls, and you'll be able to see all of your files. Now, for example, I wish to delete both of the files that contain the word temp. So you're going to type in rm followed by the particular word of which you wish to delete all the files for. So I wrote rm and temp, press enter, and then click on ls, and now you can see the file names that contain the word temp have been removed. And that is basically how you can delete all files whose file names contain a particular string. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.